Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a comparison and breakdown of some new eyeshadows that a friend of mine, Melita, showed me on Twitter. The name of the company I ordered these from is called JB&EVES. I will leave their Twitter down below so you can find them easily. These are their Princessa baked powder eyeshadows. And as soon as she showed me them, the first thing I thought of was my tried and true Milani Bella shadows that I've been using for years. And when I say years, I mean over 15 years. So we're going to put these to the test, see how they perform, see how they compare, because Milani Bella shadows are $5 and these are $1 a piece. So it's kind of like duping the dupe. I have a giveaway in this video. I will be giving away 7 shades of these eyeshadows. This is the shadows I chose for the giveaway. I figured everybody's tired of spring makeup. You will see them swatched in the video, and I will say when they are coming up so you know which one is in the giveaway. Figured everyone's pretty much tired of spring makeup. So I chose some fall shades. This way you guys are ready to go. So let's get into the video and hear my thoughts and swatches and hear how I made out when I used these on my eyes. To the first 4, and they are numbered 1 through 4. They don't have shade names, and I wanted to show you them next to my Bella Milani shadows. Now, I've always used my Bella shadows wet, and what I use them for is a base. So I will lay down the white one, as you can see here, as a base wet, and then go over it with any powder shadow or even a white shadow or a shimmery shadow just to give it a nice base. And I also do that with the black. These are not ones that I've used yet. These are new ones, but just to give you an idea of how weathered they are and how much I use them. This is actually the old packaging. I don't even use these anymore, but I wanted you to see that I am not lying when I say these were my tried and true. I've used these for years, and I know I should not even own these still. As you can see, I did purchase a new one, and then when they updated the packaging, I purchased another new one. That's how much I like them. So if these hold up, that's saying a lot, because I really swear by my Milani shadows. Okay, so the first shade up, number 1, is a beautiful, beautiful copper. I will swatch it for you so you see it dry. I'm going to wet my brush just a little. And I usually go in from one side only. This way I have half a side wet, half a side dry. And then this is what the shadows look like wet. Now there really is not much of a difference, but the staying power on the wet one will last hours longer than the dry one. So I do suggest using these wet. I'm going to show you what it looks like next to the Bella Milani shadow, give you an idea. And as you can see, they are exact dupes, and for $5 compared to $1, there's no reason to buy the Milani. Also, shade number 1 is going in the giveaway because I think anybody can use a really pretty copper lid, and as you can see, this one is not open. Up next, we have shade number 2, and that is their charcoal gray black. This is what it looks like wet. I did not use this shade on my eyes, and it's actually very pretty. It's not what I expected. It's more of a concrete steel gray than it is a black. This is the dry swatch. And I will show you that next to the Milani black wet. And this black shade I use as a base. Up next we have 03, which is their white shade. Just so you know, I'm just using a crappy cheap brush from BH. This is what it looks like dry. It has a gold shift in it, so if that's throwing you off, that's why it's not a matte white. It's a shiny. It's more like a satin white with a gold shift. This is the Milani wet. And now I'll show you why I keep the Milani old ones around instead of using the new Bella. For some reason they changed the formula and it made a huge difference. So this is the new Milani, this is the old Milani, and this is the Princessa Dry and the Princessa Wet. I think everyone can use a white base, and so this one is also unopened and included in the giveaway. Okay, up next we have 04, which is one of my favorite colors. This is wet. This is dry. The sheen on this is gorgeous. This is the Bella Dry, and I will show you the Bella Wet. Okay, up next we have numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. I don't have dupes for these with Milani, so I'm just going to show you these dry and then wet. This is number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. Five, six, seven, and 8. Number 6 and number 8 performed beautifully, so they're going in the giveaway. Up first we have number 9, number 10, number 11, and number 12. Wet, these are absolutely stunning. Next we have number 13, 14, 15, and 16. This is wet. A little too much on that one. I'm going to show you this. This is a clean arm, and the pink shade and the green shade. Wet did stain my arm. That's not a big deal to me. I have shadows that are very expensive that I love that do the same. So it's not because of the price or it being cheap or anything like that. I just wanted to disclose it so you're aware. Okay, now we have 17, 18, 19, and 20. This is number 18, and this one will go in the giveaway, and you will see why in just a second. You don't get more beautiful for fall than this one. It's gorgeous. Number 19. Number 21, number 22, number 23, and number 24. Show you number 24 next to the Milani, and it actually performs better. The dollar shadow, the Princessa, performs better. Again, this is 21. 22. And this one is so pretty and is going in the giveaway. 23. And my favorite, 24. And I'm not a copper girl. I'm not a nude eye girl. This shade is beautiful. It's just the right tone. It's like a peachy gold. It's just really pretty. So this one will be going in the giveaway as well. That is number 22 and number 24. Okay, so let's get into some of my thoughts. I do love these eyeshadows. They do perform better than Milani. I've worn them on my eyes. But the only thing is, if you don't like wet shadows, don't buy them. I prefer these wet and only wet. If I was going to use them dry, I would not grab for these, but I wouldn't grab for my Milani ones either. I love you guys. Stay tuned for the winner of last video's giveaway, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.